Hello guys. Welcome back to Mallu Education. Let's learn about articles. An article is a word that is used with the noun to form a complete sense of a sentence. There are different types of articles. Some can be defined and they are known as definite articles, and the others that cannot be defined are known as indefinite articles. Definite articles. A definite article specifies that its noun is a particular one or ones which are identifiable to the listener. It could talk in general or about something in particular. The definite article in English, for both singular and plural nouns, is the. Let us see it with examples for a better understanding of it. The kids knows the best way to make curry. The sentence above refers to specific children and a specific way to making curry. It contrasts with the much more general observation that children know the fastest way to make curry. The last sentence refers to children in general and their specific ways. Indefinite articles. An indefinite article tells us that its noun is not a specific one or ones identifiable to the listener. It may be something that the speaker is mentioning for the first time, or the speaker may be making a general statement about any such things. In the English language, a and an are used as primary indefinite articles. The form an is used before words that begin with a vowel sound. For example, an hour, and a is used before words that begin with a consonant sound. For example, a European man. Let's see the uses of indefinite articles. Use 1. The article a is used before singular, countable nouns which begin with consonant sounds. For example, I saw a zebra at the zoo. He is a teacher. She doesn't own a car. Use 2. The article an is used before singular, countable nouns which begin with vowel sounds. For example, I saw an elephant at the zoo. He is an actor. She didn't get an invitation. Use 3. If there is an adjective or an adverb-adjective combination before the noun, a or an should agree with the first sound in the adjective or the adverb-adjective combination. For example, she is an excellent teacher. I saw a really beautiful eagle in the zoo. Use 4. In English, some nouns are considered as uncountable, such as information, air, advice, salt and fun. We do not use a or an with these uncountable nouns. For example, she gives a good advice. This sentence is not correct. She gives good advice is the correct sentence. Okay then, that's all for today. Hoping you enjoy the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.